So now the programming aspect of the drone is going on, where they are configuring various inputs for the flight computer. So once that is done, we take the drone to the ground and we'll have a test flight. So this is throttle. So that will take your drone up and down. This is for movement, front, back, left, right. So if you get so if the drone maneuvers left or right, you just reduce the throttle and land. Okay, you can start. So now to arm the drone, you have to go down, go towards the right, full right, yeah, until the propeller starts spinning. Right. Not that. Down. Slowly land. Oh.
Hi, my name is Dilip and I am from Vibrant PU College, and this is my friend over here.
My name is Dhanush and I also study in Vibrant.
I'm Vedraj, I am from New Vibrant PU College.
And today we had a beautiful session of learning how to build a drone, how a drone works, and all about the normal aerodynamics behind that particular drone. First, we were assembled in our class and we were taught regarding the different types of drones based on the number of propellers and based on the weight that it can lift and the mechanism behind it. And then we were taught about the basic physics and maths behind the flying of a drone, about the airlift and all the science that is involved in the flying of this drone. And then all the electrical components that is a part of this drone was introduced to us, and how to build a drone theoretically was taught to us. And then finally it was time for practicals.
So we started with the arms, which is the red and the white part, and then we went on assembling the screws. We put this together. Then we did the soldering part on our own. That is the first time experience. The ones that help us fly are these propellers, and these are the arms that make up the main structure of the drone. And here we have the ESC.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋರು ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಬೇಡ, ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಥ್ರಾಟಲ್ಲು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. So now drone is pointing in this direction. Okay. So when you do this, drone will get armed, wet. Okay. I'll tell full instruction first. Now, if you increase throttle, drone will go up and down. Slowly you have to increase. This is for movement of the drone, front, back, left and right. So if you increase from that point, it will start yawing. Come to center. Slowly increase throttle. Keep your finger on the thing. Slowly increase throttle. Increase. Go forward. Forward. Increase throttle. Left. Slowly. Yeah. So now it is armed, okay? Slowly increase the throttle. Slowly increase the throttle. Slowly.
It will start flying now.
Slowly.
Put out.
Go front. Go right. Go left. Come back. Increase throttle. Down. Come forward. Slowly increase throttle. Slowly increase. Now leave.
Yeah, this is a bigger model of drone. So what this basically has a GPS. It's a GPS, and we have a X7 flight controller. Basically, it's a cube. Okay, and it has receivers, ESCs, and all the other electronics over here. So this is basically for a 2 kg payload drone. Okay, so yeah, and this has a MTOF of like each motor can produce about 4 kg. So it's almost gives 4 into 16 kg. So yeah, first time drone building alwa. Adu hengittu, like new components. So you are working on new electronics. So how was the experience of that?
ಸೊ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಆಚೆಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಂಗಡಿನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಾರಿಸೋದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆವಾಗೆ ಕೈಯಾರೆ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಹಾರ್ತೋ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವೇ ಕೈಯಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ
ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯಿತು.
So this is Project X Labs, and this was our drone workshop in Vibrant College, and this is Project X Labs signing off.
Nigel.
I'm Shiraj.
I'm Ruturaj.